I clean and reset our schoolroom for our coming school week. I don't know if you can tell, but our schoolroom is a hot mess right now. And both literally and figuratively, I'm not sure that I'm gonna last in the sweater all the way through this process because it's a little warm out right now. But I've got a lot of work to do. I got some tidying and cleaning to do. Some of my kids are away at play practice and some are having quiet time. And so I have a little bit of time to reset the space, get it ready for school this coming week, and do some planning for my week ahead. now that I have things tidy back up and reset for this week, now I am going to take some time to do some of my weekly planning before our homeschool week begins. I need to finish the floor. I haven't vacuumed yet, but I'm planning to do that when my youngest wakes up from his nap. Well, I hope you enjoyed coming along as I prepared for our coming homeschool week. The schoolroom is all reset and ready for the week. I have a little bit more planning that I'm going to finish up, and then we are all set. I hope you subscribe to Born for Homeschool if you're looking for more tips and tricks, information, and encouragement to support you in your homeschool. And thanks so much for watching today. I will see you again in my next video. Sure.
Yes.
But hey, Emmy, y'all stay outside in the backyard. Okay. All right.